taking place at Le Mans. And in qualifying, a battle between these celebrity racers who only get the chance now and then, of course, competing in this Nissan Stars Cup. But we usually get to see some fun and games with this lot once they get on track. Rémi Julien, who's a bit more experienced than some, Pascal Lavanchy, Jean-Marie Bigard and Piero Cosso were battling away in qualifying, let alone in the race. And Julien Beltoise also invited to join in the fun and games this weekend. Behind, Marie Fougin and Sophie Monniot are enjoying a battle between number 12, that's Jean-Marie Bigard. So he's also up for honours here at Le Mans. Piero Cosso, number 7, is one of the fastest in qualifying. By chance, however, the organisation deciding to reverse the grid. Yesterday I was learning the circuit, and now I know the lines and the braking areas, so I'm just going to fight until the end of the race. Yves Saint-Martin and Nathalie Simon then up front, but will they stay there for very long? That's the question, as they all set off at the start of the Cup race. On board with Pierre Cosso, who was fastest, remember, in the practice, and poor bloke has to start from the back of the grid thanks to the way they've set this one up. And up towards the first corner, he overtakes several cars, in fact. Up towards the chicane, he's into 4th place. Up with Rémi Julien, the leader. But then, problems. Cosso hits the back of Jean-Marie Bigard. Bigard goes off. But he's not the only one. Over goes Rémi Julien as well. Julien, who was leading, over he goes, onto his roof, and gets a big round of applause for that. So, on board with Piero Cosso now, who has taken over the lead, but not very long, because Julien Beltoise comes through and goes ahead. Further back, Jean-Marie Bigard, number 12, is on a fight back up through the field, passing Nathalie Simon, number 4, and getting past Yves Saint-Martin at the end of the straight as well. By the end of the first lap, he's in 9th place. Yeah, Cosso battles with Julien Beltoise, the top 2 battling for the lead here. And behind them, the championship leader, Pascal, is gradually catching them. On board with Pierre Cosso in 2nd place still. Come on, he says, come on, let's get going, let's move along. And he's now in an ideal position to get past Beltoise once again. But watch out for Lavanchy. Pascal Lavanchy, who joins in the battle. There he is, number 1, championship leader, and he's got himself into 2nd place now. Cosso leads, on board with him once more, but Lavanchy comes through and takes the lead. But does he stay there? It's all fairly close. Contact's made, and Lavanchy gets spun, and Cosso, oh, he gets hit again, side to side to side, and that means Beltoise has gone ahead. Let's take another look at what happened there from the outside. This is what happened, and bang, once again, contact was made. Beltoise manages to escape, and meanwhile, lady racer Nathalie Simon, she's down in 10th place. Bigard, he's driving well. Jean-Marie Bigard on a tremendous charge back up the order. He moved up from 9th. He's now up to the lead, in fact. There he is, number 12, and he's got past Piero Cosso. So at the end, in fact, Cosso just managed to hold on. So Cosso wins it. Bigard in 2nd place and Lavanchy in 3rd place. A great recovery from Bigard. Pierre Cosso winning his first race. He says the start was difficult in front of me. Rémi Julien rolled and Bigard spun. I don't quite know how, but I was first at La Chapelle corner. But then it was very difficult to stay in front because Pascal Lavanchy was right there with me. I had a big battle with him. It wasn't quite clean all the time, but then on the last lap, or penultimate lap, it was funny because I went round one corner on 2 wheels, and in the mirror I saw Bigard was on 2 wheels as well. Great race.